Today's the big day.
We're selling the bus. What an amazing 2 years we've had living in our first home. And we're so grateful for the 25 states we got to see in this bus. This bus is a beast.
Tank.
The next buyer who gets it is going to love it.
He's going to be a lucky SOB. I don't want to sell this thing, but
we're moving on to bigger things.
Next chapter.
1.564.
Bye, Cosmo.
Hello, Cosmo. Well, thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you. Yes. Yeah. It's really.
Bye, Cosmo. Oh, I'm gonna cry. How are you feeling?
I feel weird. I feel a little sad.
Sad, for sure. But happy. We sold it to the right guy.
He's a good guy, so he
really
deserves it.
He really.
He's gonna put more
to Cosmo.
more love into it than we ever could probably. So.
And this is the next chapter of our life. Howdy y'all, I'm Ash. Welcome to the next phase of our journey.
We sold the bus. It's gone. It's bittersweet, but it's not sweet.
We wanted to be able to go further, and our dreams are bigger, and ultimately this truck is going to take us to where we want to go.
People say we downsized, but the truck is pretty much as long as the bus.
So the next goal is to get a camper that goes in the bed of the truck.
Stick with us because we're going to turn this thing into an off-roading monster. So hopefully there's any companies out there that want to sponsor us. Sponsor us, please.
Yeah. Someone send us a camper, please.
Send us some off-road parts because those are expensive, please.
We have been looking for campers, but the timing just hasn't worked out, and there's not much on the market for what we're looking for at the moment. In case you didn't know, we're going home from Arizona to Maine, and we're driving this thing. So we will be in Maine for the summer. We have absolutely loved working here in Arizona, and we plan to return in September. We have a couple more weeks here and then we're taking off, so make sure you stay tuned for the cross-country road trip.
It's gonna be sick.
We definitely miss the bus, but this is the next step and we're so excited for what's to come. Sorry for being so absent on social media and YouTube. We have been working so much this winter.
A lot of working.
To get this. And
we got a great deal on this.
Yeah. Ian searched far and wide all over the internet for months and found this, and we just love it so much. Also, surprise, new username.
Rebrand.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned to see what comes next.